While the week ahead will be cut short on Wednesday by the celebration of the U.S. Independence Day holiday, the calendar will still be buzzing with a heavy slate of market-driving economic data. The Institute for Supply Management will get the week started with a fresh reading on its Manufacturing Index, which made a solid rebound in May. The figure not only bounced back from a soft patch in April, but also exceeded analysts' expectations. Strategists at NASDAQ had pointed out that backlogs grew by the most in 14 years, with the prices paid component rising to its highest level since May 2011. This marks 6 straight months of advances. While the June number could fall back below May's mark, the market generally thinks manufacturing has maintained sufficient momentum to keep it above April's level. Among other pieces of economic news, the week will also bring an update on vehicle sales and factory orders on Tuesday, weekly jobless claims and the EIA's report on petroleum inventories out on Thursday, as well as new international trade data and the all-critical Bureau of Labor Statistics jobs report for June to finish up the week. Analysts generally anticipate the jobs headline number will recede somewhat after non-farm payrolls rose by 223,000 in May. The unemployment rate had also edged down to a near 50-year low of 3.8%, and average hourly earnings also rose more than expected. Against this backdrop, the Federal Reserve decided at its June meeting to hike interest rates by another 25 basis points, lifting the Fed's fund rate to its highest level in nearly 10 years. Investors may find more clues about the direction of monetary policy when the Fed's Open Market Committee releases its minutes for that meeting on Thursday. Meanwhile, while there's a very light corporate events calendar, Citigroup will be holding a Japan Corporate Forum in Zurich on the 4th, which moves to London in the latter part of the week. Citi will also host a Greater China Corporate Day in Hong Kong on Thursday, which includes a presentation on how changes in the regulatory landscape are reshaping China's banks' operating environment and risks. Following the weekend, China will come out with fresh consumer and producer price indexes for June, after the country's rate of inflation slowed significantly compared to its levels earlier this year. At the same time, China's PPI in May rose to its highest peak since the start of the year. Visit the IBKR Trader Workstation for a full list of U.S. and global economic data, corporate events and earnings, IPOs, and more. I'm Steven Levine with Interactive Brokers, asking you to enjoy your weekend.